Welcome to our emergency evacuation video. The best way to prepare for any future emergency is by taking the time to carefully read and understand the emergency procedures and evacuation plan for your area. Also be sure you know the route and location of all the available emergency assembly points. The emergency assembly points are usually signposted. Emergency exits are indicated by signs. There may be one or more exit doors in your area. Always choose the safest route. We must also be aware of the firefighting and first aid equipment in your work area. Fire extinguishers and hose reels must be free from obstructions at all times. The areas adjacent to first aid equipment must be free from obstructions at all times. All emergency exits and pathways must be clear of all obstructions at all times. If you ever discover a fire or smoke, warn everyone. Activate fire alarms or call emergency services on 911. If you have been trained and it is within your ability, use firefighting equipment to control the fire. Most importantly, maintain a clear escape route at all times. If you cannot control the fire, evacuate the building. If it's safe to do so, confine the spread of smoke and fire by closing all doors. If in a smoke-filled area, stay low. You must take the most direct and safest route to exit the building. In an emergency, do not collect your belongings before exiting. Remain calm. Do not run or use the lifts. Once outside, do not re-enter the building. Stay at the emergency assembly area, unless otherwise instructed or given the all-clear to re-enter the building. Be sure to see your supervisor if you have any questions or concerns.